Hello, my name is Karina Jimenez, and today I will be talking about some of my favorite places to eat. My first favorite place to eat would have to be Benihana's. It's just a very good restaurant to go to with your family. They cook right in front of you, so that's always cool. When I go to Benihana's, I usually order a strawberry lemonade, their miso soup, their salad with their ginger dressing, as well as two orders of chicken fried rice with no onions. I ordered two orders because one of them I will be eating at the restaurant and then one of them I will take home for leftovers. And then I also get the Splash and Meadow. This is their shrimp and steak. And then I also order their green tea ice cream. I love going to this place, especially around my birthday, because they send you a $30 off of a meal on your birthday month. My next favorite place to go to would probably be Orichan Ramen. My most favorite thing to order from them is their miso soup base soup, and then it comes with the ramen noodles, and I get no spice level because I don't like spicy food. Um, yes. And then my next favorite place to go to would probably be the Boiling Crab. Once I go to the Boiling Crab, I normally order like Cajun fries and then their lemon pepper and garlic pepper shrimp. I also love to get their crab legs. My next favorite place to go to eat would probably be Pizza Mania. I've been going to Pizza Mania since I was really young with family, and then after like really big sporting events, we go there also. Their pizza and their wings are really, 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 really good. My next favorite place to go to would probably be Panera. Literally everything at Panera is so good. They have a really good cinnamon crunch bagel. They also have really, really creamy mac and cheese. And then for like healthy options, the Southwest chili lime ranch salad with chicken is really good as well. This doesn't really count as an eating place, but I just wanted to include it because I really, really love going here. It's this place called Chillin'. It's located in Whittier. That's the city that I'm from. I love going to this place because every time I go, I can always get a different kind of drink, and their boba is really good. And then they also have really, really good macaroons.